In the 90s, Honda Civics used a solid shifter linkage for their transmissions. In the 2000s, they went to a cable shifter. This is what you're going to have to use for your K-swap, and this is how you do it. So again, this is a budget build, or budget of kind. I wish it was budget, to be honest. I got this and the shifter cables from eBay. Actually no, I got this from Amazon. It's billet aluminum, got some spacers. It's not exactly K-tuned, but it's pretty much what K-tuned is, minus the $400. So we're going to mount this and then we're going to feed the cables through. So it mounts like there, and by the looks of it, yeah, so it's going to need a spacer. I'm thinking it comes with three different types of spacers. So not three different types, three different sizes. Might be able to make that out. I'm thinking it's going to be the smallest one, but it does have lines on it where you could cut it if you wished. So I'm thinking that's going to go there. We'll put that one in first. Yeah, it seems to work. And it is a 6mm Allen key for this one, probably different for anything else you buy. But it feels fairly solid. And it's in. Alright, let's grab the cables. Right. See the nice hole that I made. So these don't look like they have these silly clips that you those god awful clips, because they didn't come with any, so I'm guessing it is threaded. I'm wondering if it just fits through. It does have the option for those horrible clips. That pretty much looks like that now. Threads closed. Yep, it does. And then it's got an attachment there where you can use the wrench to tighten it up. But we'll get to that later. Make sure the quarter pin is in. I'll do the same with this one. And it's actually billeted, so this side, there's a little recess that it sits in. So for cheap Amazon shifter cables, so far I quite like the build of it, because I much prefer this than those horrible clips. Alright, this just needs a bit of cleaning. There we go, just needed a little loosening. Right, cool. Attached. That doesn't look too bad actually. Let's do the inside of the car.
So to get the shifter up to a decent level so you can go steering wheel, shifter, steering wheel, I've used a piece of box aluminium that I painted black and mounted to the exhaust tunnel. I will then mount the shifter, the stock shifter from the RSX, on top of the box aluminium. These shifter cables are obviously for an RSX, which is a lot larger vehicle than a 1990 Honda Civic, so the cables have a lot of play. The good thing is they're very flexible, so they can be bent and it shouldn't affect the shifting of the vehicle. So now I'm putting on a firewall grommet. You can pick these up fairly cheaply off the internet. You can get some really nice ones from K-Tuned, which are expensive, or you can just get the knockoff ones that do the exact same job.
So cables are attached. This all looks nice. Not too bad here. I'm a little concerned about this. I might have to do something about it. But if you go inside, you can see the RSX cables are way longer than what you need for when you're in the chassis of an EF. But there's not much I can do about it realistically. There's not much more space I could take it back. I could be taking it back maybe an inch. But that's where the stock shifter was. So it's in, it shifts.
Well, a nice short one there, people. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. In the next one, we're going to be looking at some electrical. Until then, see you later.